Hello guys, welcome to Scholarship Hustle. Welcome to Scholarship Hustle. In this video, we're talking about the Bode Amao Foundation. The Bode Amao Foundation for all Nigeria students, all Nigerian university students. The Bode Amao Foundation Scholarship for all Nigerian university students. Every student deserves a chance to succeed. Every student deserves a chance to succeed. Let's quickly go. Our impact. We have worked on improving the lives of over 247 Nigerian students nationwide. Our foundation is dedicated to the service of humanity and to the glory of God. It has so far supported over 247 indigenous students from all geopolitical zones of Nigeria in 28 universities from the year of the award of their graduation. Let's quickly go. Our vision: promote development through academic leadership among the youth. Yes, promote development through academic leadership among the youth. Our mission, their mission is award scholarship to bright but indigent undergraduate Nigerian students in Nigerian university without prejudice of the tribe, sex, religion, and age. Means that there's no racist in the scholarship. Either you are a male, female, Muslim, Christian, any age can apply. You can apply for this scholarship, guys. You can apply for this scholarship. Let's quickly go to the eligibility criteria. The eligibility of the candidates will largely depend on the following criteria. 1. Attainment of high academic excellence with CGPA as the determinant factor. Undergraduate candidates should be at least at the 200 level of their course of study at the time of completing the form. So you can see that undergraduate candidates should be at least at the 200 level of their course of study at the time of completing the form. The registrar of their respective university must certify the candidates are truly indigent. We accept application form from only registered Nigerian students. Only registered Nigerian students. Method of application. Application forms are obtained free of charge from our website or from the register office of their respective institution. Means that there is no application fee. You can see that it's free of charge. The form is free of charge. The printed form should be completed and supported by the attestation form. The register of their institution that they have registered for the current academic year. What this means that once you have submitted your form, you must collect and obtain an attestation from your register of your institution. That's what that means, guys. You must collect a form of attestation from the register of your institution to state that you are a student of that school and you have registered for so course in that school and you are in the academic year that is mentioned in the eligibility criteria, which is the 200 level. Candidates are advised to make one entry only and fill the form correctly. Any false information will attract automatic disqualification. You can hear that, guys. Fill your form correctly and all things. Make sure that everything is correct before you submit your form. Let's quickly go to the most frequently asked question: how do I apply? How do I apply? Interested and qualified candidates are required to obtain the application form free of charge via our website or from the registered office of their respective institution. Where do I send the form? Another question: where do I send the form? Let's quickly read that. Completed forms should be supported with attestation from the register of the institution that they have registered for the current academic year and sent by the post to BAF Secretariat at Locals. You can also send it to PO Box, but that's not it, guys. There's another way you can do this. I'll be showing you another way you can do this. You don't need to send anything through any PO Box. We have passed that era, guys. The award is per beneficiary per academic section and is active through the course of study as long as the high academic excellence must be maintained. Let me read it. How long will the award last? The award is per beneficiary per academic section and is active through the course of study as long as the high academic excellence must be. It means that no matter what you want to study, be it doctorate, anything you're studying, be it a doctor, be it nurse, any long course, be it medical and mechanical, any long course you're studying, guys, this scholarship will carry you to the end of your course, no matter the length of your course, in as much as you keep in that GPA, you keep in the high GPA, guys. What level should I be in to qualify? What level should I be in to qualify? Undergraduate candidates should be at least at the 200 level of their course of study at the time of completing this form. You can hear that, guys. Be on your 200 level of course of study on the time of completing this form. So now let's quickly go to how we can apply for this scholarship. Be the first to grab your application form. Be the first to grab your application form. Click here to print your form. You can see that, guys. Click here to print your form. When you click this, it takes you to this site. You can see it, guys. BA application, BAF application form, BAF application form. Form should be submitted via, like I said, guys, you don't need a PO box. Like I said, you can see chiamaka-kalu-2001@yahoo.com or Justina oladuye@gmail.com. You can see, so you can submit your form that has been printed out and signed and filled by you. You can submit it to this email address where you print this form out. You can scan and send to this email address, or you can download the form online. You can download the form online. This is where you could download the form, BA application form download. You can see you can download this form online. When you click on download, this form will automatically download. You can also download it online, fill and submit to this two email address. So let's look at the preview of the application form. So this is the preview of the application form. You can see, guys, this is the preview application form. Official use only, registration cost level state, CGPA, remarks. Attached, you can see, guys, look at what they said here. Attach 3 passport photograph. Write your name, address on the passport and stamp here. So, guys, since you are filling this form online, you don't need to do this. What you just need to do is just attach your photograph, like a picture you have snapped, a good clear with a white background. Just attach the 3 of them. You can just attach it at this place. I don't know if you guys know how to attach a passport or a picture on a form. So just learn about that, guys. You can attach your form, your passport here, your passport. You can scan your passport and attach it on this form instead of you saying you are printing it out and stamping it and scanning it back. No, you can online. You can do that yourself. When you download the form, surname, filling your state of origin, date of this, the permanent home address, father, mother, graduation year, parents, occupation, name and address. So this is how the form is like, guys. Name of secondary school, subjects, completion of details below about your course. This, just go through this, guys. This is how the form is like, guys. This is how the form is like. This is the breakdown of the form here. I like this scholarship, this BF scholarship. They actually brought down the breakdown of it, so you could see before you download the form. So this is it, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Please do like, share, subscribe to this channel, share to your friends. Anybody can be in need of this scholarship right now. Anybody can be in need of this scholarship. We all know that the country is very difficult. Anybody can be in need of this scholarship. You can share to your friends that are in the university that needs to apply for this scholarship, guys. Thank you for watching. Please, like we said, in this platform, we don't keep information to ourselves. We share them. Please share this video, like, subscribe again, like, share, guys. Share this video to your friends that needs this opportunity. Thank you. See you in my next video.